I hope you were able to create some hierarchy in your table, like in the order table. And now we are moving further. So let us jump to the screen first. See, on the right hand side, there are multiple visuals are there. One is map also that we are going to cover in the next tutorial. But before that, there are many a times it may possible that these visuals will be limited to you, but it is also good to utilize these available visuals so that 90% of your work will be completed with this kind of visual only. But sometimes if you want to import some of the visuals, you need to create you need to click on the get more visuals. Okay, when you when you click on that, on the Power BI, there are all available visuals are there. So there are multiple things are there. You can take any of that and trial, and with the trial and error, you can edit your data. So for now, you can see that there are number of visuals are there, but for now we are going to only utilize the toggle button. So let me find, or you can directly search the toggle. Okay, just write down. And here we are going to use this advanced toggle button. Just click on this, it will load, but make sure, always remember that whenever you are adding any of the additional visuals, it will here before that you need to click on this add button. Let us add so that it will be load over here. It will load your visual, so I will not recommend to add any external visuals, but just this is for the example. I am giving you the idea how to use this. So when I click on this tab is available over here, and here we are going to have the column which we have created with the help of if command. This is if dex, right? Here which is called as a high order value. And now let us drag this high order value to our field. If I click on this, you see that our high order value is toggle is generated. Let us modify a little bit based on your requirement. And under the visuals, if we have anything under the switch, if it exact match for what on, and for off, that will be normal. The shape will remain the round. Switch for on color will be the, let's say, purple, and switch for off color, let's say, as a blue that I have selected. So currently it is under the off stage, that's why it is just showing us the detail for the normal orders. I hope this is clear. And if you want to have some properties like position, effect, here if you want to change the transparency, you change it. And a border, if you want to add, you can add it. Now let us drag this whole toggle button by clicking these three dot, place it, reduce the size. Okay, done. So I hope this is clear. By this way, you can import any of the toggle button or anything, any visuals. This is just as an example I want to teach you. That's why I have covered it. But I will request not, I will always recommend not to use any additional visuals because it will lag your report and it will take more time to load this. It is better to not to go with this toggle button. I hope this is clear. Let us check whether this is working or not. If I click, see the color has been changed, and based on that the values has been changed. If I put it under the offside, that means again the values has been changed. So by this way you can import any of the toggle button.